In this video, we're going to graph another relationship. So let's start by reading the problem. At some airports, you pay a tax of 14% on the cost of a car rental. Draw a graph to model this situation where the horizontal axis is the cost of the car rental and the vertical axis is the amount of tax. Is the amount of pay in tax proportional to the cost of your car rental? How do you know? All right, so what were we given here? We were given what the horizontal, the x-axis, is to be. We were told what the y-axis is to be. And then those were directions. And then the question is the amount you pay in tax proportional to the cost of your car rental? How do you know? Well, hopefully you can answer the question, how do you know, before you start the problem, which is, 1, does this line pass through the origin of the graph? And is it a straight line? If it meets both of those conditions, we know that it is a proportional relationship. So I'm going to pause here and get a graph with those axes labeled, and we'll take a look. All right, so here I have a graph of that situation. On my y-axis, my vertical axis, I have the tax, and although it's difficult to see, that's a $sign in parentheses, because that is indicating to you that these amounts are in dollars. $14, $28, $42, $56, multiples of $14, and the cost of the rental also in dollars. And let's be clear, why did I pick the number 14? In the problem, we were told that it was 14% was the tax rate. So a nice, easy way to show this is to use $100. And the reason is it's very easy to figure out what the tax is on $100. If it's 14%, then the tax, of course, is on $100 would be $14. If it was on $50, this point, it would be $7. Clearly on $200, it should be $28. And on $300, it would be $42. And looks like I actually got that one wrong. That's why you always want to work in pencil with graphs. All right, if I'm not paying for a car rental, if I don't rent a car, there's no tax. So clearly this is going to pass through the origin. And I've got my ruler. I'm going to connect those points and put an arrow on the end here. And as we can see, yes, this is a proportional relationship. For every $100 of X, I've got $14 of Y.